Hey guys, so how's your 2020 year looking? Here's the best way to succeed fast with affiliate marketing. Best online business there is. I'll leave the link in the description.
It's pretty cool, right? So in this free training, you'll want to register for the free training. Once again, if you're on a desktop device, the link is in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. If you're on a mobile device, the link is in the upper right. Make sure to register for the free training at a time, at whatever the earliest time is that suits you. And I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can implement this insane and unique new business model so that you can start earning real commissions online. Okay, so make sure you click the link. This is only going to be available for a limited amount of time because I only have a limited amount of time. And I'm only looking to pass this down to a few people. So make sure you get this done. Make sure you register for this training. I'm going to be showing a select few people. The limit on this training is 500 people that can be on at one time. And you'll be seeing exactly how to do this step by step by step.
So that link will be in the description, guys, and as always, it's up to you guys. If you need a change for 2020, I can tell you that I've already had success in this business. If you look at my... I'll put a video up. I think it might be there. If you check it out, I've already had success in the affiliate marketing field. I've only been at it a month or two. So it's up to you if you want to change in 2020 or you just want to. That guys, my internet cut off, just wouldn't you know it. So yeah, I'll leave the link description and below, but I can tell you this is far and above the best way of making money in 2020 or any year as far as I'm concerned. Okay, check it out, link in the description.